Oh my god.
Why?
Everything's oily under here. Whoa!
Welcome back to another driveway episode project.
You sound exactly like Blake. Yeah, that kid over there with the
I've learned
curly.
from the worst. Best.
Ooh, boy!
The best, did you hear?
He had to correct himself.
I don't pick on Blake, so I thought I'd better start.
Nah. Alright, we got some mods to do today. Get straight into it. Adam, help me with my bling. With my bling bling. Yes, yeah. Oh, yeah, boy! Got some carbon fiber. It's nothing better than real carbon fiber. That bad boy is going on my cluster above all my gauges and stuff. And I've got another piece of carbon that's down there. Yeah, got some more carbon. This little carbon trim piece, 3M tape. Let's get to it. Easy mod. Let's just get rid of this yucky thing. Yeah. Let's just. Oh, it's stuck again. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's off. It's off. It's off. It's off. Goodbye, Brad. Hello, carbon. Alright, we're gonna pull all this crap off. Just go for it, dude. Don't be shy.
I wasn't going at it yet.
Don't break it. Ooh, that's on there good like. Yeah. That's melted over the years of it being in there. I need more than one hand. Blake, give us a helping hand. Team effort.
God, you can tell this has been in the sun.
Yeah. Hot glue and like a 40, 50, maybe 60 degree car.
Yeah, about that.
In the summers. You can wear this as a beanie later, Blake.
Yeah. Oh my god.
We got it! Hopefully you can see, but around the clock display is where the carbon piece trim is going to go. But it's just going to go around here. So it should be fairly easy. Peel the double side tape off and put it on. Oh, that's a lot better, isn't it?
It is.
See what I mean? Had to tie it in.
Yeah.
Or else it would just, it looks really good now. I like that. I like that mod. That's a nice mod. That's a nice mod, guys. What do you rate that mod?
A 9.
A 9?
A 9. Oh, it's up to you, whatever we're doing tonight or whatever. I don't care. If it's easy for you, then yeah.
How's it look? Oh yeah, boy! Hot boy parts, hot boy parts. Guys, got some good news. Got some good news.
What's the good news?
Lights.
Oh.
Yeah, so
They're the bright news.
yeah. Oh, bright news. So
Brighten up your day. Hey.
Blake's under
lighten
this.
up a bit, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. Blake's smashing out some more mods under the car in another episode of Project Driveway.
Straight wrenching, fam.
That's it, wrenching away. Wrench monkey. Alright, so the other week on Project Driveway, we put fog lights in Dopey. Isn't that right, Carl?
Yeah.
That's right. Hooked up a switch. We did all that, ran it. But they're not bright enough, so we've jumped over to Mishimoto XB
Morimoto.
LED. There's,
They're Morimoto.
did I say Mishimoto?
They're Mishimoto. They're Morimoto.
Oh, Morimoto.
Do that again.
Yeah, alright. So we jumped over to Morimoto, not Mishimoto. Morimoto XB LED. There's 3 LEDs at 5,500K.
Yeah.
Is that correct? So there's a bit of a blue light, but they're not that blue. I tested them
They'll be
before.
bright,
But they're bright.
Bright blue, right?
These should be super bright. Should be a lot better because my fog lights are just, they don't seem to be working that well. They don't even seem to be on when I use them, to be honest. Like I can see it when I'm like driving and there's a wall next to me. I can see it shining on there because like it goes out that way. But these are sort of directional.
Peace.
Poke the bear in the cave. Poke the bear in the cave. Poke the bear in the cave.
I'll put you inside a magic.
Oh, look at this. Look behind the scenes. Blake doing the vlog.
Gang, gang.
Yeah, gang, gang.
This
Gucci
one,
gang. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's
got a bit of light.
But it just seems to flood light.
Yeah, like there's no direction to it. Like it's lighting up the engine crane, like all the engine crane.
Yeah, so I think it disperses it too high as well. It's not down far
There's
enough.
no focus on it. All right, what are we looking at?
Rip this bar off, mate. You wouldn't think I've done this 100 times.
No, you've never done this before, have you?
Me?
Never.
Nah. Alright, while everyone's working, B1, B2 under that forester.
Hey, who you calling B1, B2, boy?
Big C is smashing, trying to attempt to do an oil change, which is a bit. Yeah. Wait, give me that. Give me that. What's the? Why you got the baby ratchet for?
What do you mean? Because
It's so small. You have the smallest ratchet with the longest extension.
No, it's a cast caliper for an extension. He brings me this. I'm like, what the fuck?
That's a catch-22, mate. You know, old mate and old mate down there. So the bar got pulled off. I think you saw that. Yeah, you did say that. You did see that. The plug that they supply doesn't fit my car. I think because I've changed them and whatnot. I think these should fit an 8.6, but doesn't for me. So because my old DRL/fog light that I did the other week have these little bad boys at the end, I've put the same. I've done one, heat shrinked it. Look at that, nice and pretty like. One to go. So I got to do this one here, and then we can put them on in the car. Isn't it right? Just say yes.
No.
Okay, deal. These guys are going bananas today.
Uh-oh. Something bad.
Ah, you got grease all over your face.
Something bad.
Why?
Everything's oily under here.
Everything. This boy likes to live on the edge. On the edge, boy. He ain't impressed. He's like, shit, I should have checked my maintenance book.
And cause of the problem to that one, your filter, which is gonna be fun to take off because now it's covered in oil. So.
Hiya, Vecco. I'll put some oil in it. Top it up, mate. There's not much room in this driveway at the moment. We've got a freaking yacht park next to me. We've got a toaster over there, and then we've got Callum running around in between 3 cars.
Yeah.
Doing Callum things. Not that you can tell, but Paddy Boy is all done. They're in there. They don't look that bright from over there, but out on the road, plenty of light. I can adjust them in or out. So this is where they start, which is about 2.5 foot from the actual front bumper, or about from the actual fog light. So I can adjust them to give me more light out further, but we'll see. We'll see how we go. Alright, yesterday smashed out these Morimoto LED fog lights. They're in. I gotta replace the shock because mine's blown. So on to work with that guy. Gotta get this bad boy out. Got a new one to go in. See this Weber? I'll keep that bottom bolt in here just so it doesn't all collapse on me. Oh no, I'm losing my nuts. Oh, that car smells like wombat. Can you smell the wafting of the bat?
I thought it was,
Yeah, definitely. It smells dead. That's the smell of death.
How's it back?
It's moved onto something hot. Whoa! Like a...
Good.
I need some help.
Some.
Shocking. Alright, you got the shocky boy. Fucking yeet, boy. So we need to get this bottom piece off. All the collars, the spring, and the top, how the top plate.
Remember to take the measurements.
And then you're going to make sure that my spring is still in the same position and the same length and all that. So I'm going to do some measurementos. Get all that gunk and crap off it. Make it easier. Poke the bear in the cave. Oh, like a glove, guys. Task is not as hard as I actually thought. First time doing a shock replacement. Here's the blown one. She's done a seal up the top, so that's going on the wall as a trophy. And this is the new one. Now we're just going to reassemble, but I think before I reassemble, I'm going to clean all these parts, get them all nice and clean. Get them all nice and clean before I put them all back and reassemble it all. Reassemble it exactly the way it came off. So this guy goes on, spring, the camber top plate, and then all these collars and mounting stuff, and should be all good. The only one I might have a bit of trouble with is this guy goes on here, because you've got the Allen key and then you got to tighten it, but we'll see. And then you got to get all the measurements right, and then hey, put it back in. We're done. Blake is having a little nappy nap. I don't know if you can see him past the heater. Shock's all in. Damn it, cam's over. He gave me a hand just to jam it back up in there. Just got to tighten everything up.